Hi everyone, welcome back to homeschooling. If you're watching for the first time, please subscribe our channel and press the notification bell for more interesting videos. And today in this video, let's see some tips, 5 tips on preparing for exam. So the first one is make a timetable and always note down key points. Point number 2, do not simply read the given portion, but instead understand each and every word. Or answer. Point number 3, don't forget to take regular breaks. Point number 4, revise your exam portion and test yourself again and again. Point number 5, and most importantly, maintain a proper sleep cycle. So yes, these are the 5 tips, 5 lines on, or 5 tips for preparing for exam, 5 tips to prepare for exam. So I hope you like this video and hit the like button and subscribe the channel. If you like the video, please share this video with your friends and family, and I hope these lines will help you to write the essay, or to give a speech, or to write the assignment, all those kinds. And please do visit our channel and watch other videos too. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.